Good morning mga kagaw. For today's video po ay nagluluto po tayo ngayon ng manok. Meron po tayo ditong manok na iihawin natin mamaya doon pagdating natin doon sa dagat. Sugba na nato dito so. Nagluto ko og gamay na apritada na manok. Apritada na manok. Para kay inimbita kami sa mama sa kong asawa magligog dagat. So mubadra mi mga kakagaw kay para pambawa sa stress. Dera akong asawa nag-prepare. Nag-prepare akong asawa. Naramon dalhon. Naaday may dre lupak na saging na walay kuan mga kagaw. Walay lubi kay mal kay lubi. Dera, dara ang anak na isa mga kagaw. Uy, di makita. Putingit-ngita. Dara isa.
I have found nothing quite like One Piece.
Nagtago gundan.
Breath of the Wild combined with One Piece. I didn't know what I was getting into going into this game, but you know we're doing it on the hardest difficulty possible. I might have raged a lot, dog. This is not.
Tanaw-tanaw lag TV
But I was equally impressed by how beautiful
Tanaw-tanaw ra sa TV mga kagaw.
Yeah, you guys already know how we rock. Not beginner, not standard, not hard, not. Why does it keep going up? Why is there an extreme difficulty? Do I actually want to do that? We're going 3 levels above standard? Are you joking? Yeah, we'll see how long this lasts. My gosh, am I going to be able to beat the tutorial? Prison Island, a world government facility from the island. Okay, wasn't going to be able to read all of it anyways. What we held down? I genuinely have no idea when this story takes place or at what point. I guess story get held down? So this is like right before moving forward? Unless it's all original. That clears things up. So we're robbing and brother, I'm not even looking. He's just in my face. I like this cut with like the credits.